Hello, people, and welcome to another episode of How to Cantonese. Yes, now that it's been a year, so hi. For multiple reasons, there's been this long hiatus thingy, but then I'm gonna make another video explaining all that jazz. But this one, it's an educational video, so let's not spend time on nonsense like my life. Yeah, we're going to talk about Cantonese today. And I'm serious because it's been a while since the last time I've put on lipstick, and there's no point putting on lipstick when you're covering your mouth outside. And all you do is just smear your expensive lipstick on the face mask, on the inside of a face mask. Speaking of face masks, well, actually, how do you pronounce mask in plural form? Masks. But then I'll have to do it at normal speed, so it's a no-go. And I teach English as my daytime job. Today it's one of those one character multiple meanings kind of episodes. We've done like 2 or 3 of them in the past, and this time, speaking of face mask, we're talking about something mask related. Zao. Sorry if I'm not looking into the camera unconsciously, because I'm using my phone to film this because my camera died. Like bitch. Well, maybe it's my fault because I should have charged it first. Zao, yeah, Zao. So Zao has multiple meanings, duh. And actually all of them are either nouns or verbs. And let's start with the nouns. The first meaning in terms of nouns of this character is mask. Face mask. 好找. 好找. You might think, well, face means mean in Cantonese, and if 找 is mask, shouldn't face masks be mean 找? But no. So these things are actually called 好找 in Cantonese. I guess it's because it's mainly used to cover your mouth. But remember, cover your noses as well. No, noses. No, we only have one nose. Yeah, cover your nose and mouth when you're wearing a face mask. Otherwise, it's meaningless. May as well throw it away. During these times, please wear a face mask when you're outside, whether if your country makes it law or not. Because it's used to protect yourself from other people, and it's used to protect other people from yourself. Yeah, it's a two-way thing. That's why it's so useful. I know it's uncomfortable, especially if you are living in the northern hemisphere. It's summertime now, and it's unbearable. Speak from the experience, and my face is all irritated, and it's under makeup. That's why you don't see it. Anyway, 好找 means out. It's actually something like this. Well, it can be something that covers your entire face, but you get the idea. This is 面罩. The second meaning in nouns is shield, like protective shield. In Cantonese, we call those 保护罩 or 防护罩. Kind of like something that's used by energy or like force. Something that you can't see with your flesh eyes. Like a force field? No, like a force shield. I don't know how to explain it. I am not a sci-fi fan, as you can see. I don't really have sci-fi in my collection. 保护罩 shield. There is a third meaning when we use 罩 as noun. 烘罩. Well, it means brass. 烘 means breasts. One thing to bear in mind is that 烘罩 is not a very colloquial. It's not very spoken language. We usually use it in like a written form. During daily conversations, we just use the English word bra directly because we're all sophisticated and stuff. I know. So those are the nouns when we're using 早 in Cantonese. Next would be the verbs. First verb meaning is to cover, quite literally. So 早句 means to use something to cover something that's important. Usually it's your head or your vital organs or your crotch area. For example, 罩住個頭 means covering your head. The second meaning of 罩 being used as a verb is to cover, but then more figurative, which is to protect or to keep an eye on. That wait, it's keeping an eye on someone a good thing or a bad thing? Is it this kind of keeping an eye on, or I'm going to protect you by paying attention to you? 罩住你 means protecting you in that way. Usually it's used by someone like in a more powerful, stronger position who is talking to the weaklings. I am really not used to this. I get so much worse. So let's recap before I ramble even more. Two types of meanings in terms of using the character 早 in Cantonese. The nouns are mask, 口罩 面罩 shield, 保護罩 防護罩 空罩 bras. And in verbs, to cover, literally 罩住個頭 to cover your head, or to protect 罩住你 to protect you. Let me know if I've missed anything regarding this character, or if you don't understand anything, leave a comment down below. And I don't know, you can like this video if you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell thingy, maybe? I don't know, it sounds so gross. I'm not even monetized. I'm just someone that happens to make YouTube videos online, and people somehow stumble across it, and some stumble upon it. And yeah, now you're here, hi. Let me know if you have any suggestion or ideas and stuff like that. I know I am slacking on replying YouTube comments, but then I still read them. I just don't know how to reply them without being too repetitive. But anyway, I am a weird person. See you next time. Bye!